Welcome to LeadLake, the prospecting tool that gives you everything you need to find, enrich, validate leads, and write fully personalized emails at scale, all in one simple workflow. LeadLake combines a real-time Google Maps scraper with access to a massive database of over 100 million leads. It helps you uncover deep insights about businesses, from their customer reviews and tech stacks to whether they're currently running paid ads. Scrape your leads, create personalized emails, and upload them to your email sending software. That's it. Let me show you how it works from start to finish. Once you enter the activation key we send to your inbox, you'll land on the main scrape page. Here, you'll see two sections, the scrape setup area and the job table that shows all your past and current scrapes. To get started, you give your scrape a name, choose an industry, and select a country. You can either pick an industry from the drop-down or type in a custom one that's not listed. Just hit enter to confirm it. Next, you can narrow down your target area by selecting sublocations. This is a really powerful way to get more leads in specific regions without having to run separate scrapes. We recommend keeping it to around 5 to 10 sublocations per scrape. Adding too many at once can generate a massive scrape that not only takes a long time to complete, but could also use up a large portion of your credits. So it's best to break it down into smaller batches. You can also set the language and even type your industry keyword in your local language. If needed, you can add a proxy for extra control. Once you hit scrape, LeadLake begins working in the background. You'll see your task appear in the job table below, and you can follow its progress in real time. Once the scrape is complete, you can export your lead file, and that's when things really get interesting. Now you can head over to the enrichment page. This is where LeadLake helps you go from basic business data to actual contact information. Just upload the scraped list and click on Enrich Data. LeadLake will try to match the people in our database with the companies you upload to find the owners. While matches aren't always guaranteed with smaller businesses, the success rate is significantly higher for more established companies. Once done, the enriched file will be listed on the job table as well. But maybe you don't want to scrape at all. Maybe you want leads right away. In the lead database section, you can instantly search through our 100 million plus record set. Just choose the industry and location, and within seconds you'll see verified leads, including direct contact details for employees and decision makers. No waiting, no setup, just results. And when you're ready, export them straight from the job table. Before you launch your campaign, it's always smart to validate your emails. Inside the settings section, just enter your bulk checker API key and upload your list. LeadLake will go through multiple email columns per row and validate everything at once, making sure your bounce rate stays low and your outreach is clean. And now, let's talk about one of the most exciting parts of LeadLake, the AI email assistant. This feature takes cold outreach to a whole new level. You upload your lead list, whether scraped from LeadLake or sourced elsewhere, and the AI assistant helps you generate fully personalized outreach messages in seconds. You can write emails, SMS messages, or even short compliments. And it doesn't just insert a name here or a company there. The assistant actually reads through your data, reviews, service descriptions, websites, pain points, tech stack, and more, and builds tailored messages that sound like they were written by a real human who did their homework. For example, if your lead has a Google review mentioning a poor booking experience, the AI might suggest a chatbot solution in your email. Or, if a client received glowing praise for their staff, it might start the message with a compliment that references that review. You can guide the assistant with your own prompt, choose from different tones like friendly or professional, and even add a sample message if you want it to follow a certain structure. Everything is customizable. You can define the call to action, whether you want to include FOMO, how long the message should be, and what kind of language it should use. Once the messages are generated, all you have to do is export the file and plug it into your email sending software. And that's it. Try LeadLake for free today and see how easy high-quality lead generation can be.